Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 12. Can't believe we are almost at the 2-week mark of COOKMAS. Again, thank you guys so much for all the support during this COOKMAS season. I truly do appreciate it. For today's COOKMAS recipe, we're going to make a definitely quick and easy yet tasty recipe for any day of the week. We're going to go ahead and make Sloppy Joe spaghetti. So in this case, it only takes a few ingredients. We've got the noodles, of course, manwich, some tomato sauce, ground beef, and then some cheese that we can put on top. So in this case, we're pretty much going to make a manwich based sauce and just put that over some noodles, and we're going to have Sloppy Joe spaghetti. So if you guys are ready for this quick and easy recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here is the Sloppy Joe spaghetti. This is a quick alternative if you're wanting something different than the average spaghetti. Go ahead and make Sloppy Joe spaghetti. You're definitely going to enjoy it, especially if you do love a good Sloppy Joe. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had Sloppy Joe spaghetti. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you'll be notified of every time I drop a new video during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.